Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Experiencing joint pain or stiffness, reducing inflammation through diet can make a significant difference. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your meals like dark leafy greens, fatty fish, which are rich in omega-3s, and spices like turmeric and ginger. They have all been shown to reduce inflammation. Conversely, limit foods that promote inflammation, such as refined carbs, sweets, and processed meats like bacon. Start by adding one anti-inflammatory food to each meal. For instance, add spinach or any dark leafy green to your morning smoothie, enjoy grilled salmon for lunch, and season your dinner with turmeric. Small dietary changes can lead to significant improvements in joint health. Embrace these anti-inflammatory foods and take a step toward a more comfortable, active life. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this message with others so they can benefit too. Thank you.